Hi guys. The starting level in Candy Crush Jelly is 1504. That's a green jelly level. So yeah, we just got home from church. I was in with the kiddos. That was a fun day. It's definitely getting cold outside. I got into the house just in time because now it's raining. So thanks goodness. My wheelchair battery is dying because it didn't get charged last night. But I don't really have to go anywhere else today, and if we do, I have a perfectly good stroller I can go in. So yeah, I just wanted to say, welcome to the vlog. And that's all folks. Hi guys. I'm currently waiting for snow. It's 37 degrees Fahrenheit according to my computer, so it just needs to drop the temperature a few more degrees. I screen recorded Candy Crush Soda. If you were confused. That wasn't Candy Crush Jelly. I absolutely hate Mondays because I don't get boosters in Candy Crush Jelly. Why do they have day 1 be a no booster day in Candy Crush Jelly? It's not because I miss a day. I would understand if I were missing day 7. But I haven't, so why should I have no boosters just because the week started over? Do you agree? But anyway, I almost have ran from Star Wars. The Star Wars event is almost over, so I'm not sure if I'm going to get Ren. And also, I don't know if Ren is a good person or a bad person. I could pay diamonds for her. But I don't know her importance. You guys are probably cringing, but it's rough and I don't know. By the time you're watching this, I'll have a conclusion for this problem and I'll tell you how I decided. But right now, I don't know what to do. I see more snowflakes. So how exciting. I'm going to go do something. And that's all folks. Hi guys. Mother Nature is being a jerk and she's making it stop snowing and then 2 seconds later, it starts snowing and then 5 minutes later, it stops snowing again. I feel like I'm on an emotional roller coaster. I cannot get off of it. I just want 3 or 15 inches of snow. Is that too much to ask for? So I'm going to get Ren from Star Wars tonight. The event will be over tomorrow morning, and she has a few more items to get. But I think I can do it without spending a lot of diamonds. I just have to keep Goofy and C-3PO on their missions, and I have to get the little, whatever they're called. They remind me of penguins, but I know they're not penguins. I'm so sorry for all the people who love Star Wars and are watching me throughout this event. I'm probably making you cringe so much. Ladies and gentlemen, it's finally snowing real snowflakes again for the third time today. I do hope it stacks up. Then I could build a baby Olaf or something like that. So yeah, I'm going to go do something. And that's all, folks. Hi guys. So the snowstorm craziness has ended, unfortunately. We have 0 snow, and now we wait for the next snowstorm and hope that it sticks to the ground and then piles up. The Star Wars event has ended as well. I was able to get Ren, and yeah, I'm on the jelly level, which is difficult. It's red, but if it was easy, I would be worried about the people who makes the levels. 1500s is supposed to be challenging. So yeah. I mean, I'm on a red monkey level, not a jelly level. My apologies. Too many things going through my head. So yeah. I'm going to go do something. And that's all, folks. Hi guys. So we went shopping yesterday and I actually remembered to vlog. That's impressive. I beat the level that I was on yesterday. I even beat a few more levels, including the Jelly Queen level. So that's super exciting. I love when I get through a few levels because it's just super fun to win. And I get stuck on levels, as you know, and that can get annoying. So yeah. I'm still working on getting Michael from Peter Pan. I think it's going to take a while because I have to level Peter Pan up in order to get one of the items for Michael. Right now, I have 0 of that particular item. And I need 35, so yeah. So I'm going to go make a video for Kendall 36, and that's all folks. Hi guys. The ending level in Candy Crush Jelly is 1510. That's a green monkey level. So I found out that Netflix has a new series called The Healing Power of Dude. One of the main characters in the show uses a wheelchair. That particular wheelchair is my exact wheelchair. Permobile F3 in Titan Blue. Isn't that crazy? She has a joystick instead of the head array, that's the only difference. So naturally, I decided to watch it because I have the wheelchair, and it's actually pretty cool. It's about a boy who has social anxiety disorder, so his parents get him a dog, and he goes to school with the dog. You can hear what the dog is thinking as well as the normal show content, and it's super cool. So yeah, now I'm going to watch a movie on Disney Plus because I finished the book that I was reading. It's Descendants 3, and the only part one absolutely hate is when Mal gets turned into the witch from Snow White. I cannot stand that. It could have been anyone else, but they chose the witch in Snow White. Mother Gothel is evil. Why didn't they pick her? So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to end the vlog here. Thumbs up and subscribe. And that's all folks.